What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, guys, and this is giving us that flush down to close to $825 that I was expecting. I called it out yesterday on my video. I was talking to you guys about it, that we are looking very bearish, and get prepared. Nvidia, guys, is just about to get fully over. It has also, well, $850 to $825 is what we have been talking. That's where this blue box is. That as Nvidia dips in here, it's just on its last breath. It's getting over, demolished. All right. Well, company is great, guys. Don't get me wrong. I love the company, but charts, technical, stock price, these are different things. Okay, you have to, if you are in the stock market to make money, you have to know how to trade the market using the stock charts, using the technicals, and that's what here we do. If you have been following my videos, you already know all these moves that I have been calling out. Guys, this is looking great to me. I'm loving it. I am loving it. All right. Well, just because my money is in the direction of the downside, so I'm loving it. That's for the reason, right? And for the reasons also, because that's how the price action technicals was telling me, and that's what I have been talking with you guys all throughout my coverage of Nvidia stock, and we are getting those momentums. Now, is Nvidia, what's it gonna do, guys, by Friday as well? We'll talk about that more in when the market has closed later. And this is just the morning update, but yeah, this is the zone. We have already lost the level of the where the support could have held 850. If Nvidia can't close and gain 850 today, yeah, like bulls are gone. Like they are gone. Bulls have turned bears. All right, this is like bear party right now ongoing. Now 825 I have always kept as maybe the last line, because that's where the pivot is as well, right? And this box that I have put in is, you can see there are lines over there. My indicator marks all these significant levels automatically. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading pots, and Wall Street alerts. Now, today's range on Nvidia is $46 already. Wow. So what is Nvidia going to do? How low can it go? Where is the possible moves now, right? Is this can it come down to $660? This is where the next significant level is by Friday. Well, more about it I'll talk later, as I said, on my after the post market has or around the regular market has closed. I'll do another video, but look at it. So let's go to the hourly interval. So this was our flush zone, 863, also marked by my indicator, and we flushed below that. So Nvidia, yeah, like it can come down to, it's just a little bit above 825, right? How low did it go? 830. We came very close to 825, and then 50 days moving average is almost there, right? So yes, I do expect Nvidia at this point very possibly test 50 days moving average, and it might give it a bounce. Okay, a little bit of a bounce. Because why bounce, Junior Trader? Well, because guys, just we have pullbacks in the uptrend, right? We have rebounds in these downtrends at these key levels, key areas. Let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk more about over there. Oh, wow. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. There was no coming back today, guys. See, we broke that channel, right? The channel, it was trying to hold itself in, trying to form the pivots. And I told you yesterday, as if we lose 869 after losing this channel, this is collapsing. And we broke that channel. We rejected that 2050 moving average as well. And we broke below 869. Next significant level broken, 862, came very low. All right, one of our level was at 837. I do remember this, around that area from the other levels. Now there are more levels showing up right now as well, because price action is reacting. So we are, guys, in a downtrend. It's not even just a downtrend, it's like a brutal downtrend right now. Nvidia, here we go, right? So it's like a proper downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. We couldn't recapture 891. Now, if Nvidia wants to become bullish in any case, right? I'm still gonna say, right? If there's a because I have to cover both cases as for what's the probability. So if Nvidia wants to become bullish again tomorrow, it needs to recapture 862 and above. If it can't do that, forget it. Forget it. That's just going to be a rebound, just like we had at 891 and then rejected. Yeah, this rebound is possible, but then it doesn't make it bullish. Just remember that. 862 is now the structure that is, if this can be regained, then it can become bullish. Otherwise, no. Nvidia can continue to go lower and lower. These type of rebounds are fine. Okay, the rebounds that is coming today, a little bit of rebound will come. That's no big deal. All right. Rebounds and pullbacks are part of the game. Let's take a look at 5 minutes interval real quick. Yep, no coming back today, guys. No coming back. This thing might, you just this is just an intraday rebound that may come. I'm seeing this two candles, red and green buying it back up, right? So let's see how much strength it has, but this usually gives some bounce back a little bit. And then we'll see how high it goes. But this was the move that really turned out just how we predicted. And let's go to the daily interval. So just looking at the chart here, okay, and if I remove this blue box, right, just looking at it, it already, doesn't it look like, be honest with yourself, even if you are bull, okay, doesn't it look like that this is a formation of a top? Like so many things, bearish engulfing candle, double tops, right? Retest of the supply zone. This is one of the pivots that can be considered 863 as well, and we have lost that. These are just the wicks down here. I have kept 850 for a reason that I want to still give, in any trend reversal, you have to give the benefit of doubt as well to some degree. But look at it. Doesn't it already looks like that it's forming a top here? Now the thing is that 50 days moving average and $825 level are the levels to watch now, and definitely to the upside right now, 863 if that ever gets recaptured. And accordingly you will have your stop loss or whatever. That's up to you. Oh well, I didn't say. Well, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I don't know if I said that in the video or not, but you already know that. That's a disclaimer in all the videos as well, down in the description as well. Yeah, I'm just providing my educational opinion here, guys. You do what you want to do. I play no role and no part in that. So yeah, so just note that 50 days moving average, Nvidia is known to hold this thing once it holds it, right? So let's see if this breaks. And if this breaks, yep, I'll talk more about it, as I said, later when the market has closed. Then 662 is the possibility. So yeah, things are not in the bull's favor, just so you know. Okay, so that's that. Let's just take a look at what, like, Nvidia is the one beaten up the most today, and so is SMCI. I'll talk about it, later as well, because I did tell you guys that if there's a flush that comes below $900, I'll open up my position. I'm just going to show you right now, but I'll do another video on this. But this is what it is doing. So AMD today again zigzagging, doing nothing much but just staying there. It's trying to stay its course over there. Alright guys, let's take a look at QQQ and SPY as well real quick. So again, I'm getting tired of saying that QQQ is in the distribution phase, but yes, it is. It's just, getting sold off up here. I think it has also more room to come. It's in the distribution phase, guys. SPY is also losing those areas, lost 20 days today. So again, that bearish engulfing candle is reacting on both QQ and SPY. So yeah, it's looking weak. Anyways, guys, lot to cover. Look at it. Tesla is still positive, holding strong. I talked about it, right? Tesla is looking strong. Loving it, loving it, loving it, guys. Okay. I'm loving it even if stocks are falling, because, I trade both sides, right? Long and short. So the stocks that are falling and I'm loving it, they are on the short side, right? Okay. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'll talk about other stocks as well today in other videos, and Nvidia, another video will be coming out later today when the market has closed. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.